Alright, boys. We are back with a backtesting session. Haven't posted this. It's gonna be the first one I post. Probably gonna go on YouTube. Let's see how we do. I'm using TradeZilla for my backtesting. Used to use FX Replay, but I really like this. Really like this. I see it's way more easy to see visually. So yeah, let's create another session here. Make sure this shit's recording. Alright, let's create this session name. Let's just put backtesting 4, which is my 4th session on TradeZilla, trading my ET model, which is elevated trading model. Symbols, we do MNQ, or should we do NQ today? I haven't used NQ. Probably do NQ. Which is yeah, let's just do NQ. Let's do NQ. All right, start date. You guys want to do this month? We could do last month. From Monday to Monday, April. We could do what, 12 to 19. And let's do a 50K account. All right. Wait, let me change this. I'm gonna be looking this way hella because I have to check this shit is recording. Wait, is my face like slow? Wait, let me check something. All right, that's better. All right. Let me fix this real quick. All right. We are Friday, so we have to start Monday. All right, Monday, 7 a.m. Let's check this daily chart. This is our daily chart. Alright, so we are super bullish. Taking these lows and continued up. Respecting this daily for value gap. Let's see the 4 hour. So we have this weekly gap, which I do expect market to go and fill it. Especially because we are in such bullish trend. Yeah, this hourly for value gap with these lows as liquidity. Let's. Oh my lord. Always forget to do this. Alright, so this is at 9. Let's see if we can catch this. 9:30. 9:30 move. Alright, so this took these lows out. Is there what hour? No. Respect to this 15. We have this 50. Why is this shit so laggy, bro? Jesus. And 55. What time are we at now? 9:15. Let's go 2 back because I want to see something here. So we do get this move into this 5-minute for value gap in such bullish markets. So let's see in the 1 minute. I know I saw it went up, but I just want to step back because at the end of the day we're back testing, so we don't want to see and like get into it deeply every move. So if I would take this, I would still take it even though I saw it kind of moved up a little bit. Okay, that's a beautiful rejection. This 5 minute, that's a really nice rejection off of that. This is probably a trade I would take, even though it's pre-market because it hasn't been a 9:30 move yet. I do like this. If we get an inverse off of this, which was what I saw, which I know I'm going to get it to, but let's see what kind of displacement candle it is because I'm not trying to take a entry up here because I could use these highs as my first target. and then see if we can ride it up here. Okay, that's not horrendous. Could probably take this. So this was the candle that I saw. So after this, I don't know what's gonna happen. So what I will do though, bring my stops to here, which was the last. Yeah, bring my stop there, and I would go break even after this break for sure. And then ultimately I will target this high right here, data high right here, and market will continue to move up for sure though, for sure. All right, I really like this trade. I'm probably gonna go heavy on this. Let's see how much. All right, so I just received the call. That's why the video ended. All right, so I'm receiving it again. All right, so I really like this. I don't know where you guys stopped, but we are rejecting off this 5 minute fair value gap. We have these data highs, which is what I'm targeting. We are before 930. And I really like this because we do have this weekly gap right here, which I think is going to get filled. So I really like this trade. I'm gonna go heavy on this. So let's see, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do this right here, and I will go break even after this high. So let's see what we get. Move, great, boom, beautiful. Not break even, but I will move my stops to this low right here because it's the new low we created, and boom, bang, baby. And this fucking camera shit is slow again. Let me change this real quick. All right, we're back. Bang, 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 bang. Beautiful trade. 1200 on that trade. We're reading these charts like fucking book boys. Reading these charts like a book, boys. And we are still before 930. Still before 930. So let's keep going the same day. I'm gonna still fuck with this move. I still think this is gonna go up hella. We have this 5 minute here. Have this 5 minute here. Let's see if we get some sort of manipulation down. And this 1 minute. Yeah, market is hella bullish. It's gonna respect every fair value gap. It's literally gonna respect every fair value gap. Okay, that's a nice push down. It's a nice push down. Let's see if we can get filled here in this fair value gap. This 5 minute, that would be nice. We're in this 2 minutes. Let's see this next candle. Oof. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's not bad. See this 15 minute. We have a 15 minute down here. And our 5 minute, we have that 5 minute, which it's there. Let's see what it does. Okay. I just hate how bullish this is. No entry unless we inverse this here, which isn't the worst. You know what I would like? Last manipulation, like to take this low and give him an entry. That's what I would really like. Yes, yes, yes. What'd I tell you guys? What'd I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? Jesus, bro. But this is the problem. This fucking candle. Could have taken this inverse right here. But this fucking candle is just, how do you even like... That's so stupid, bro. Wow, 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 wow. We are reading the charts like a book. Wow. Beautiful price action, to be honest. Beautiful price action. Beautiful price action. This is just going to keep ripping up, to be honest. Are you going to fill that 5 minute? Nah, this is just going to keep ripping, bro. Yeah, this is going to keep ripping. Beautiful trade, though. Beautiful, 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 beautiful trade. Up almost like 3% on the first day. So let's go to the next New York session. Let's go to this daily. We are obviously bullish. Already filled the gap up completely. Told you guys. Reading these like a book. Reading these like a book. We are in this 4 hour, but, if I'm being honest, doesn't really scare me that much because we're so bullish. I mean, this was like a month ago, so this is bullish, a little more than a month ago. Obviously don't remember what happened, but it still doesn't really scare me. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what we see here. What time is it here? Let's go to 9. This is 9 or this is 8? This is 8. Alright, this is 9. Oh my god, why is this so laggy? So this is 9. Why 9:45? I don't get this, bro. Why are you doing that? I went to 9 and I switched to the 15 minute. I don't understand why that does that. See, it's changing like... $8:30. 9. What? How does that make sense? Alright, that's annoying me, to be honest. That's annoying me a lot. I guess. Whatever. Look, it's moving in 10s when it's supposed to move in 5s. You know? Here it says 9:20. And here it says 9:15. Right. I'll just have to start looking at that. So we are at 9:25 right now. Not a good, kind of a choppy shit right there. We are respecting this 15. We're respecting this 15. I do like that. Let's see the 1 minute. I don't know if I like that though. I disrespected that completely. We have this 15 minutes. Nice 15 minute right there. Nice manipulation candle down. We are at 9:27. Let's see if we get a fill before that 9:30. See if we can catch something to the upside. 9:29 and we get that. Are we dead ras? Alright. This is what I want now. This is what I want. Manipulation on to take this low. Tap into this. Alright, so we're just gonna rip up with absolutely no bias. No confirmation on the higher. That's great. And you're just gonna keep going. And you're just gonna keep going. Just keep going. No problemo. No problemo. No problemo. Nothing as clean as the last day. Nothing, 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 nothing. I do like that though, but it's not in nothing. Okay. Alright, so just having this 5 minutes. And 50% of that 4 hour. Alright, just making sure that's recording right there. We're in that 15. Yeah, a tiny 15 right there. Let's see how this rejects off of this. If we don't get like a crazy candle push. I have this inverse. Let's see the 2 minute though. Wow, that's a huge candle there. That would be my entry there. We're in that 2 minute though. I don't know if I would take this. I normally do look for an inversion on off for value gaps on every time frame. So I don't know if I would take that. I think I'm gonna take it low risk though, because I do like it because of where it's bouncing. So it took this low, right? Took this low. We are at 11, so it's power hour. And we are in this 5 minute. And I do have good targets. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to assume the risk, probably go lower on the risk. And I would just go for the straight 1-to-1. Not to get greedy or anything. Don't want to get greedy. Trying to target something more when I have that for value gap there. Even though if this does inverse this, I feel like we could take this high. Let's see. Alright, let's go low risk here off this inverse. What the fuck is that? What? Alright. Told you. Let's see if we get a push now. Nice. Break that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stops up. What is this, bro? Oh. Wow, I'm stupid. Stops here and we have that. Nothing on the 2 minute I should be scared of. We did inverse that already, so I'm gonna put my stops right here. I'm not gonna assume any risk on this. Ooh, I did not see this. That is a problem. We are in this 5 minute. You guys think we're gonna inverse it? Bang! Bang, 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 bang. Beautiful, beautiful trade. All right, beautiful trade. We are on a Tuesday. 2 days in. We are $2,000 up right here. Beautiful. What time is this? 11. No more trading for this day. Going to the next. All right. Holy wick. All right, like we always do, we check the higher first. We are crazy bullish right now. We have this high that was taking. We have this external high here. We have this 4 hour. And we have this 1 hour. We have this 1 hour that it is respecting. We're at 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, 9. All right, so we're at 9 here. Respecting this 15 minute and this 5. Oh my god, this is laggy as hell. We have this 5 here and we have this 5 here. Let's take this high. This wick candle, it's most likely gonna fill that in. Let's see what we do in the lower. Let's see. Okay, respecting that. Nice. Beautiful rejection off that. Could take this inverse on the 3 minutes. Let's see if we have it on the 2. We do have it on the 2 and we have it on the 1. Probably just take it on the 2. Dumped. Okay. It's kind of slow though. Alright, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this. I'm going to take this. I would go break even, or not break even. I would probably move my stops here. See what it does after here, and I would low-key just target a 1-to-1. We are at 9:12. Alright, let's see what this does. Don't like that. Kind of respecting that. Respected that beautifully. Very nice. After that body break, nice. Stops to this low right here. Bang, 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 boys. Holy trading, bro. Let me fix this up again. I gotta change this shit. Alright. Beautiful trading. I think we're what, like 3 for 3? Are we 3 for 3? Bro. Wow, this website is, not this website, this thing is so bad. Alright, Ras. 3 for 3. Beautiful, 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 beautiful trade. That might take those highs up there though. All right, let's keep going. Keep looking for something on this day because we are such an early move. So it's 5 minutes. See what this does. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? We were taking this. Damn, bro. Easy trading, boys. Easy trading. Nothing on the 5. We took that on the 1. What time is it? 9:39. No entry if I would have wanted to take something. Alright. Let's check our 5. Next 5. Look at that. Took these data highs and boom. Dumped. What did it do down here? Nothing really. Wouldn't take that, so. What do we have back here? Nothing really. We're just flying, bro. Can't even look back because nothing. Okay, we have that 5 minute. Okay, we're in this 5 minute, boys. In this 5 minute, I want to check the higher for a second. Oh, it's laggy, bro. I don't know why this shit's so laggy. So the end of this 4 hour would be up here. Doesn't scare me. I just need to mark it out. So let's see what this does here. Alright, we have this for value gap on the 1 minute. Do we have something on the 2 minute? Okay, that's nice. I'm gonna take this. Just because of our bullishness, I'm gonna take this. I like this. Bouncing off this 5 minute, this continuation. Beautiful trend up. Manipulation, take these lows, 1 and 2, bounce. Tapped into this 5 minute, started rejection. And I would target probably the end of that 4 hour. Let's see what else we got up here. I'll probably take that high, to be honest. We could probably take that high, to be honest. Target that. Low key, I'm gonna move this. I could probably move it if I see something sketchy. But I can probably hold that there. Let's see. Okay. Rejecting off of that. Beautiful push. Off this 1 minute. If I get a body over this, I will move my stop. Alright, moving my stop here now. We are not at a 1-to-1. I would trail after I break that. Okay, don't like that. Beautiful push. Break of that. Don't like that either. Probably a break even. Oh, we got saved. That's why you put the stops at a low. We're at a 1-to-1 there. So I'm going to trail aggressively right here. Boom. Trail aggressively again. Trail aggressively again. Alright, we are out there. Beautiful banger, boys. A little more than a 1-to-1. 1-to-0.4. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. What are we, like 4 for 4 or something? Beautiful stop loss placement right there. Holy, beautiful stop loss placement. That's why you put that at lows and not at break even all the times, depending on what market is showing you, you know. All right, let's go. What time is it? 11. Let's go to the next day. This thing is still recording. Yes. And this is getting slower the more we go on. All right. All right. We are at officially all-time highs. So what do we do at all-time highs? You long until you are proving wrong 2 or 3 days in a row. So we are in this 4-hour fair value gap, projecting off of it beautifully. We go back to the 1 hour, rejecting off this 1 hour nicely. Holy, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. We're gonna catch a beautiful move. We're gonna catch a beautiful move. All right, so we are at 9. This is 9. All right. What would I like to see here? What would I like to see here? I would like to see market sweep these lows and probably tap into this hourly again. Not into this OB. Let's see the 5-minute. Okay, looks like we're pushing off of this. We are at 904. Nothing really I could have traded that move off of, so I'm not mad at it. Keeps pushing. Okay, we are in this 5-minute. This nice 5-minute, kind of in a uneven consolidation here. So let's see what we get here. See if we get an inverse here. I like this. Okay, that's gonna be my entry. I'm taking this trade, boys. Stops under this low, and I will target that, and I will trail my stops or move my stops after this break. Kind of a medium risk here. Let's see if we get this. Okay, nice push there. Ooh, that's not good. All right, first stop loss. Okay. We're still gonna get a re-entry here. Trust me, we are going to get a re-entry here. It's just a recording, yeah. All right, we're gonna get a re-entry here. Let's see this 15-minute. Let's go back to the 5. That trade was high risk, because we didn't get that manipulation I was looking for. I just went off that 5 minutes, so that's probably something I have to put down. Wait for that manipulation leg, which is what we are going to get right now. Or not. This is just consolidating, bro. 925. All right, so we broke these highs. Wow. This is wow. My bias was right, bro. My bias was right. This just wanted to stop me out. This just wanted to stop me out. I wanted this to get tapped into. I really. All right. Did I tell you we're gonna get re-entry? Yes or no? Did I tell you we're gonna get a re-entry? Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Start rejecting. Oh my god! But this is horrible. Please give me a small fair value up here. Please give me a small fair value up here. What are these candles? Some Diddy candles. Oh my lord. What the hell is this? Oh my lord, oh my lord, oh my lord. Okay, wait. What are these candles, bro? Diddy candles. Alright, so we're here. What is this line for? Trust me, guys, we're getting a re-entry on this. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see. Alright, so you're just gonna rip off of that. No, come down here. Take this slow. Come on. Yes, nice. Tapped into that. Yes. Alright. So we're just dumping now. Why is this so slow, bro? We are in this 1 hour now. What time is it? It's 9 only? Oh, it's 9:54. Okay. That's a nice manipulation. I like that. I like that. Alright, so we have this 1 minute right here. But on the 2 minutes, probably going to be something else. Yes. So I would genuinely wait for this to get inversed. Would it trade this 3 minutes? 3 minutes too much. I would wait for this 1 minute. Let me fix this camera again. My computer's just slow right now. Alright, so this just broke. Alright, boys, my camera broke. Alright. So I guess we're gonna do this without camera. That's fine. It's just this this software for recording is not that good, to be honest. Alright, so I would low-key wait for that to get inversed. I like this 1 minute, but I would wait for that 2 minute. Because of that, exactly. Beautiful. Give me that body there. Alright, that's my entry, boys. Watch, we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get our money back. We're gonna get our money back. We are going to get our money back here. Oh, we are in this 5 minute. That is kind of disgusting. That is kind of disgusting. That is kind of disgusting. I do like it though. I do like it. I do like it. It was a super good discount. It's bouncing beautifully off this 1 hour. I really do like it. And off that 15 minute, I really do like it. And it's just my bias is so bullish. My bias is just so bullish. Low-key target these highs right here. But I am going to go not that much of a risk. Let's see. Nice, nice, nice. Banger, boys. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? We are getting our money back. We are getting our money back. That's just how we do it. That's how we move around here. 53,800, and we are Thursday. Beautiful. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go to Friday now. Let's go to Friday now. All right, bounced off this 4 hour. Is that where I catch my trade? Oh, and there was a 4 hour there, and I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that, so it was even better. Wow. It's really nice. Beautiful trade there. All right, so we have a 4 hour there. We have a 1 hour there as well. Kind of already tapped into it. It's 9. Let's see our next candle. Holy candle. On a Friday is crazy. On a Friday is crazy. Am I going to get some sort of manipulation down? I don't think so. Low key. Because we are in such a bullish move. I don't hate trading off this immediate 5 minute. I do not hate it. Okay. Didn't work. Doesn't matter though. Could look for a re-entry here. Let's see if we get something there. Let's see if we're in a 15 minute. Ooh, we do have a 15 minute here. All right, let's see this. Let's see what marks it. All right, tapped into that 15 minute and to the 5, but there's a problem. We don't have an inverse on that, on the 1 minute. We do have something on the 2 though. Trade off this inverse. Tapped into it and did respect it. Ooh, nice dump there. Okay. Respecting it again. If we inverse this, we're catching the trade. If we inverse this, we're catching the trade. Yep. If we inverse this, this is going up. Bounced off of it so many times that if it does get inversed, it's just going up because it was the only thing that was holding it back. Let's see how it looks on the 5 minute low key. Yeah, I'm doing this. I don't care. This is. Let's see the 2 minute. Yeah. We're in this. Ooh. That's a lot of risk. Could catch it there though. Could catch it there. Move my stops after this. We could do that. Alright. Let's try this out. Let's try this out. Ooh. That's exactly why you don't put your stop loss there. Wait, let me do something. This could be counted as cheating, but I want to try something. Because this is on the 2 minute, but on the 1 minute. Okay, so this is where I fucked up, right? So my entry was there, but I have to take account. We have to take account of this for value gap always. Especially. We have to take account of this for value gap, especially because in such wiki markets. So this would have to be down there at least, if not at the body of this, at least. So this would be my trade. This could be counted as cheating because I stepped back, but hey, you gotta learn from it. So that would be my risk unless I trade. This would be my risk. Okay, let's see. Tapped into that. Alright, tapped into that for value gap. That's why you always have to keep it account. That was fucked up there. If we break over that up there, body over that, I move my stop. Alright, body over that, I move my stop. Move it to the slow here. Really choppy markets. This for value gap. Let me see the 2 minute. Respecting this. I would move my stops to this low after that. Okay, okay, stops to this low right here. And bang. Beautiful trade. You always have to take account of those for value gaps. You always have to take account of those for value gaps. Beautiful, 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 beautiful backtesting session. Up 5,200 on the week. If you count this as a stop loss, that's completely fine. But it's still a beautiful, beautiful session even though. Beautiful session. All right, boys. See you on the next one.